I'm going to show you how I add pizzazz to a square cake with rainbow edible jelly crystals. If you're new to my channel, I'm Rox of Rockstar Bakes, and my passion is helping people make sweet treats. Ring that bell notification so we can continue to make sweet treats together. Intro animation. Today, we're going to do two things. One, we are going to build a mini 5-inch square cake. Two, we are going to embellish that cake with rainbow Kahakatu edible jelly crystals. I have a recipe linked below for the Swiss meringue buttercream that's going down on this cake board. Press down the cake to adhere it. We don't want that cake sliding around. Fill the center with frosting. Smooth it out with an angled spatula. Add each layer. Look at the cake from every angle to make sure it's level, from the top and from the sides. You can of course use any cake. I opted for vanilla cake, which I colored using some AmeriColor lilac. Okay, so all the layers are placed evenly. Now pop it in the fridge for 15 minutes. At this point, I'm pretty new to square cake, so I try to use a cutting board to support the cake while frosting. I'm trying new tricks every day. Lock in the crumbs with a thin layer of buttercream. To get the sharp edges for this cake, I'm going to use an acrylic cake board. A cardboard square works well too. Place the parchment square and acrylic board like so. Fill it in a little here. Get a little angled spatula action here. And get a little cake scrape here. And here. These crystals are an awesome alternative to rock candy because they have such a nice, squishy, and tasty texture. Is squishy a weird way to describe it? I use a spatula to remove the stubborn Kahakatu. This is gonna look so nice against the white buttercream. To save you time, the crystal gem recipe is linked below. I'm carving long pieces so that when I stick them in the buttercream, they look like they're bursting out of the cake. Here's a pink one, and a little more detailed cutting. I've had a ton of learning after making so many crystals. I think I'll update the recipe video linked below. Be on the lookout for the new one. Ooh, look how shiny. Looks great against the white buttercream. This shape would look good at either corner of the cake adjacent to another crystal. Carve that cake so as we're adding the crystals, the icing doesn't squish out. It's not a problem to carve too deep. You can just add buttercream back in. These look great painted on corners or on select flat sides. Red, orange, yellow, green, pink, violets, blue. What's your favorite color? Let me know below. Don't worry about messing it up. You can rinse off the crystals. Place the crystals so they're firm and secure. You can place the crystals however you like, but I'm going to place them like this. Get some clear gems for contrast. So cute! It's so cute! dig it out. Make sure to squish the Swiss meringue buttercream with the crystal. On the rest of the cake, I surround the gems with mini mounds of frosting. I demonstrate in detail here. Bursting with crystals. OMG, rainbow crystal cake decorating success. Now let's see what it looks like inside. Please don't fall over. Ta-da! Look at those alternating layers. I hope you had fun, and if this was helpful at all, ring that bell notification so we can continue to make sweet treats together. Here's a cake decorating idea playlist. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. You make the world a bit sweeter. What?
Oh, is it gonna pop up? And that's good.